All right, you're going to run into some big problems. You're going to run into some gargantuan problems if you're just trusting what a lot of these people are telling you to do with Chat GPT in order to make passive income. First of all, when I watch the videos, it's still active income. Passive income is when you build something or have someone else build something once and it continues to bring you income through that asset keyword. Okay, so we're going to use Chat GPT. If you don't know what that is, you need to go back and watch part one. This is a 3-part series. I'm going to tie them all together. They're going to be released today. So make sure, because if you are not subscribed to this channel, you're going to miss out. All right. All right, so miss out on what? This is the second method. Let's come over to Amazon right here. In the first one, we talked about using ChatGPT to build passive income through assets like courses. We were over there on Udemy, Coursera, Skillshare, all of those type of platforms and everything. You want to build an asset empire. So many assets out there. They're built once, like this right here. They only had to build this once, okay? And now it's bringing them a lot of money every single freaking month, right? Okay, so it's the exact same thing. You want to build something once, and then that asset continuously bring you income, okay? It's people still eating off of their first movie, eating off of their first song. The I like big butts, that still pays him. Okay, all of those songs, they still pay him royalties. Royalty. Okay, so we're going to build ebooks. These are assets. Okay, we're going to use Chat GPT to build ebooks. Okay, and these assets are going to continuously bring you in money every single month. So the difference between this video and a lot of them. Okay, now I want me to verify I'm human. Okay. Godly. The difference between this video and a lot of them, guys, is that I'm not just going to talk theory. We're going to actually do this stuff. Okay. So you're going to see us do this stuff, and you're going to start seeing the earnings come in. You're going to see the progress. You're going to see what book flops. You're going to see what course flops. You're going to see which one is successful. And then it's going to help you out when you're building your assets. But don't just watch this. You have to actually do it too. Remember, there's no cash in without action. All right. You can't bring the cash in without action. All right. So we're going to use Chat GPT. So let's just give you an example. This is not going to be a book that I'm actually going to make, but I'm just going to show you how you would do it if you want to go ahead and make a book. You can do it off of any topic you want to. It doesn't really matter. Okay. So it's kind of like with the courses, you need the outline. All right. So we're going to come in here. As you can see, this one has 2,373 ratings. We need to find the book outline or something like the chapters and all of that stuff. Okay, so once you find the chapters and the outlines, or the what do they call it? The freaking I can't even think of the name of it. The index. I think that's the index, right? You find the index, and let me see what. Here it is. Give me the chapters. If they can find this, give me the chapters of the book. I don't know if this book is famous enough. See, it's not famous enough. But basically, that's what you would do. You would need to get the chapters of this book. Like, how do I get the damn chapters of this book, right? Chapter 1, Blakely. We would want to get the. All right, so we're gonna take the name of this book. We're gonna go to Google book index. Let's see. All right, so this is what we are going to do. We're going to take the summary of this book, and we're going to have ChatGPT create some chapters. Okay, so we're going to take that summary, and we're going to say, write chapters. And now ChatGPT is going to give us some chapter outlines on her. Look, there's an introduction. All right. This is craziness. This is ludicrous. This is ludicrous. So it's giving us chapter 1, the introduction, setting the stage for the story. introducing the main characters and their motivations for seeking quiet retreats. Chapter 2, the arrival, the character's journey. Chapter 3, the program. Look, and even though we took the outline, I need you guys to understand that every movie is based off of the same script. Like since the 80s or the 70s, all the movies are the same. They just changed the characters and changed the narrative and the tone of the movie. So it's pretty much how many Vacation or Lost in a Retreat or some campsite movies have y'all seen and you still go and watch it? So it recommended around what is this? Was that 7 chapters, right? 7 chapters. Okay, watch this. So we're gonna say write chapter 1. All right, so now it's gonna start writing chapter 1 of it. You know, you gotta do a little practice with this, guys, so it won't be all over the place. Well, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna create these outlines. You understand? So here's a quiet retreat introduction. As the sun rose over the rolling hills of the English countryside, Jane and Jack packed their bags, eager to start their journey. They had been feeling burnt out and stressed for months, and the prospect of a week-long retreat in a peaceful, secluded location was just what they needed. Y'all see what it's doing over here? So basically, you can go find the top sellers. Look, we go back, we find the top sellers on this mug. You understand? This one has 10,722 reviews. This one has 73 reviews. I like this smoke screen. That title is awesome. Okay. So you would basically just find the top sellers and you would take the summaries and then you have we'll have Chat GPT Chat GPT take the summary and create chapter outlines. Okay. So where's the dang on summary for the book? Yeah, here it is. No, those are reviews. So wherever it is, you'll find the summary of the book. Okay, I think this is it right here. Yeah, this is it. The summary of the book. And you will take their names out of it, you know what I'm saying? And then you would tell ChatGPT to make an outline for a book for this. So look, it gave us this, but obviously that's like a little short for a chapter. So we're going to say continue. All right, so it's going to continue. Certainly, here's a continuation for chapter as the day went on. Look at this, man. This is freaking godly. So you can get set yourself a goal for these assets. Create 1 course per day, like as seen in the first video for today, and create 1 ebook that you can upload to Kindle. And then you're going to see in part 3 the next asset that we're going to create. And remember, all of these platforms will be sending you the damn traffic, y'all. But you have to make sure these are topics that people actually want to hear about or read about or learn about. Okay. So as you can see, it's continuing chapter 1. Oh, golly. This is freaking crazy. This is crazy. Then I say continue again. You just keep on saying continue. Look at this. Certainly. Here's a continuation of chapter 1 for a quiet retreat. As the days passed, Jane and John grew more and more comfortable at the retreat center. They formed strong bonds with their fellow attendees, sharing their struggles and triumphs as they worked through their personal issues. They found strength in the sense of the community. Do you see it creating a freaking book? And as far as all that crap that people are afraid of with SEO and stuff, this is not SEO. This is a book. All right. So this is not SEO. This is a book. And you can tell ChatGPT to make it more conversational, speak with slang, make it cool, speak with modern people's slang and the fashion and modern people. So I'm guessing that it will go out and look at all the YouTube videos and the freaking music videos and popular culture, TikTok crap, and pick up on what our daily slang is and do that. So look, I can even have it rewrite everything is written so far with the slang. But like I said, depends on how long you want chapter 1 to be. It will just continue making a continuation, of the first chapter. All right, so look at this, man. It literally created an entire story right here. So basically, you'll copy that, and if you want your Kindle book to be on Amazon, you'll come to kdp.amazon.com. .com, and you can, you can have somebody on Fiverr do it, make it all professional, or you can do it yourself. Publishing takes less than 5 minutes and your book appears on Kindle stores worldwide. Make more money. Earn up to 70% royalty on sales to customers in the US, Canada, Germany, blah, blah, blah. Keep control of your rights and set your own list prices. Publish in digital and print and paperbacks for free. So if you want people to have your actual book in their hand, you can have this on here for free. And then they will handle the shipping and all of that. You put your price on there. You ain't got to do the traditional route. Now, some other platforms that you can upload it to. So I would say you creating your book might take you an hour or two. Okay. Then you just have it, formatted and upload it on here from your documents. Then you can upload it on here too. This is Google Play Store, Books Partner Center. So play.google.com/books/publish. And that's crazy. It has it got 3 billion users plus over 75 countries, guys. Listen, then there's a site called Publish Drive, account.publishdrive.com. And you register. Boom. All of these are free to register. Then this one is called Book Baby. Look, sell your book. You know what I'm saying? So you can put this one on Book Baby. You can put it, actually, this right here. So let's say when you're done doing your Chat GPT and you're taking all your stories out of here and all of that, you would copy this. You would put it in a file like a doc or a Word file, guys. And then this will convert it into an ebook. Let me see what the pricing is, because we don't want this stuff to be like, all right, for the basics. What's the basics? They ain't telling us nothing. Like file conversion, editing, compression. This still is worth it, whatever it is. Let's see. I don't know. Let's see what the basics are. Oh, here's the basics down here. The free plan, basic processing, image tasks, 3 audio tasks, ebook tasks. So that's 1. They'll only do 1 for free. This one, what's this? I don't know. All right, you can use this or you can just convert it your dang on self. You understand? But the point is, just invest. Remember what I said, what passive income is. All you have to do is do this once, guys. Once per asset that you're building. And then it's out there in the ecosystem bringing you money to your economy. Okay. So you can make a lot of money. So this is the last one I wanted to show you, self-publishing. This one is called Ingram Spark. A lot of people say this one is good too. Okay. So you just put your book on here and start making some money, man. So what do you guys think? Let me know. In part 3, we're going to talk about something even more relatable, something that you guys use. We're going to create an asset that you guys probably listen to or use right now. And it's going to be out there making you a lot of money. You get paid royalties off of this as well. So what do you guys think about the power of Chat GPT so far?